Welcome to the Unified Risk and Resilience Framework, a geometric approach to navigating enterprise risk in a world of systemic shocks. In our model, firms are visualized as points on a curved manifold. Their trajectories reflect how they respond to market forces and systemic challenges. 4 zones define their resilience: super good, good, distress, and bankrupter. Firms move along geodesics, the shortest paths in the risk landscape. As shocks increase, curvature intensifies, accelerating drift toward adverse zones. This geometric insight reveals hidden fragilities. The distance to good metric quantifies resilience. A lower D2G means stronger posture. It helps prioritize actions and track progress in risk mitigation. ACME Group's current resilience metrics: trust score 5.41, D2G 6.70, and 98% MFA coverage. These indicators guide strategic decisions and highlight areas for improvement. This map illustrates ACME's position across the 4 resilience zones. While the parent company is well positioned near the good zone, subsidiaries such as S06 and S08 are currently in a state of distress. Under stress scenarios, ACME faces significant shifts: +4 8.0 impact from war economy, +3 6.0 from funding stress. These metrics show how external shocks reshape risk posture. This map shows ACME's position under 3 scenarios: war economy, cyber supply chain, and funding stress. Each trajectory reflects the firm's movement across the risk landscape. Our 90-day program targets key improvements: reduce D2G by 40%, cut SARS TCO by 15 to 25%, and reach 98% MFA coverage. Each stakeholder has clear KPIs and deadlines. To access the full report and join the early adopter program, visit trident-i.net or contact us directly. Let's build resilient enterprises together.